Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? So I just wanted to bring you some information on Hondas and Acuras. It has to do with the battery. Now you know the battery in the TLX is in the trunk, but there are posts in the front where you would jump it or check it and all that kind of stuff. But something that will save you guys some money, I didn't know, but I've been experiencing battery issues. But let me go ahead and explain that to you. So I've been having some issues with this battery. Like I said, I don't drive far, but I went to start it and it took a little bit longer to catch. And then as the week went on, it got worse and worse. And then one time I went out and tried to start my car and it wouldn't start. And here's the battery back here. I'm sure you guys know this if you have a TLX, but they put it in the trunk, offset some of the weight. But I was having issues, and this battery is, I've had the car a little over 2 years. It sat for about 4 months on the lot, so you're talking 2.5 years. I know they don't last that long now. So I went ahead and got AAA to come out and jump me. I drove it around. They deemed that it just needed a new, needed to be charged. Because I don't drive a lot, so I don't really charge it a whole lot. Because my trips aren't, like I've explained before, with the gas mileage in this car. I don't really get on the freeway a lot, so they're explaining how the battery never really gets topped off. You're kind of always just using it maybe like half capacity, if you think of it that way. But what was interesting, though, is the guy didn't have a battery on his truck, for one. So he's trying to sell me one. And then I went on some forums because I wasn't sure if these things are covered or, what's that. So then I reached out to my local Acura dealer, and I was not aware that the battery is covered under the bumper-to-bumper warranty. So, Hondas, they have a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty, bumper-to-bumper. And then the Acuras, they give a 4-year, 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. So I called my local dealer, and they said that is, in fact, true. So if there's any issues with the batteries, if it's not holding a charge, if it's just defective and it dies before 4 years or 50,000 miles if you have an Acura, or 3 years, 36,000 if you have a Honda, they will replace it free of charge. All they need to do is do a battery test on it and see that it fails, and you'll get it replaced. So that's good to know, because I have seen people that have their car maybe a few years and don't have that many miles on it go out and spend $160 to $200. I think the battery right now for this car is $210 or something. And just go buy it, assuming that it's a wear item. Even in fact, some people on the internet said it's a wear part, so it's not covered, kind of like with windshield wiper blades and that kind of things. But to let you guys know, and I don't know if any other manufacturer is the same, but I know for Hondas and Acuras, if your battery fails prematurely, and it's not something that you did, so it's not like you're running subwoofers and all that kind of stuff and you just drained it prematurely, nothing like that. But if it just goes out before the years or the miles, then they will replace it for free. And then the nice thing is, Acura, I'm not sure about Honda, but Acura guarantees their OEM batteries that they will replace it with for 100 months. So in theory, if it were to fail before 4 years or 50,000 mile warranty is up, they will replace it, and then that battery is good for 100 months. So that's a little over 8 years. So if that happened, where you needed a battery prematurely, you'd probably never buy a battery again for that vehicle, unless you kept your car longer than 9-10 years, I would say. So that's good to know. So I just wanted to let you guys know that if you weren't aware. I wasn't aware, because I honestly thought it was a wear part. If it went out in 2 years, you're out of luck. You have to get another one. But if it fails their battery test because it's not holding a charge, they'll just swap in a new one. And my dealer that actually sold me the car said they've done it many times. So it's not like a one-off thing. It does happen where you might have a defective one, or it's just whatever the case is, and they'll just put a brand new one in, and it carries a 100-month warranty. So I just want to let you guys know, if you're having battery issues and you have a Honda or Acura and you're not over the miles or the years for your bumper to bumper, get it checked out by the dealer. They'll do a simple battery test. If it fails, you get a brand new battery free of charge, no copays, nothing like that. So I just want to let you guys know that. Drop me a comment in the comment section. Let me know if you guys were aware of that policy. Like I said, I honestly thought it was a rare item, and I would have, if the guy had one and my battery needed to be replaced, I probably would have spent the, I think, 160 through AAA to buy a new battery, to be honest. So it's good to do your homework, and it's good to know that. So again, if you guys didn't know, if you're having issues, get it checked out and get a free battery, and you'll probably be your last one you ever have to deal with. Okay, so I hope everyone's having a good day. Hopefully that helps you guys out. I appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks again, everybody.